better not be that pillow dog. What a nice view, isn't it? Right, that's so epic. What a nice day. Literally nothing can ruin it. Bruh, take this! Hey, what was that for? You haven't seen the last of me, and besides, you will never see any of me again. What? Where did he go? Alright then, if you say so. Welcome customers, welcome to my shop, the Rubik's Cube shop. Do you have any info on what that thing is? What thing? I don't recall a thing. Oh, yeah, I know that thing. Here, I have a map. Boom. Here you guys go. Okay, thanks. It seems as if he's going to... Hey, what was that sound? Oh, hello sir. Would you like to check out my shop? Finally, the buried treasure. I have that treasure all to myself. Stop right there, punk. What? How did you catch up to me? Yeah, that Ari guy gave us the map. But anyways, this treasure is mine and there's nothing you guys can do about it. Well, it's time for you both to shut up because this is my power. Yes. And there's nothing you can do about it either. Oh shoot, hey, stop, you've made a big mistake. Pillow Dog, cause I am Dragonite! What the? Hey, what are you doing in my swamp? Oh, why didn't you say so? I can help. I have tons of stuffed animal friends. Let's go! Get ready to be killed! I know. What do you mean you know? You know nothing. I will kill you! You can kill me, but he can kill you! Yowzers! No! My power! Oh, crap. Ow. You haven't seen the last of me. This isn't the last of me. You will never... All alone. I wish I could, but I can't. Whatever. Oh, what? Not again? Nothing can stop me. How did... You're right. Let's do this. Oh, wait. Big Bear's sleeping. Are you sure we can do that? Alright. We can do that. What are you gonna try to do? Beat me? Haha! Like you can even try. Oh, I know we can't beat you, but they can. What do you mean You're going the wrong way. Oh no! It's a Super Epic 6! Yeah, buddy. Kind of made a jerk move there, huh? I will kill all of you! Like that's gonna do anything. I'm one of the Super Epic 6, and honestly, You have been a disgrace to the community. Agreed. Why don't we just...
Okay.
No, wait, no, please! Ow. Please, no. You must get artifact. Not today, buddy. How did we manage to fight him like 2 times? I don't know. What if he attacks another time? Potadog? That's it. I've had enough. I'm not playing anymore. I don't want to die anymore. I am going to get this artifact and steal it and keep it, and nobody will stop me. Nobody will stop me. Aha. Oh, God. Potadog? What in the world? Hey, let go of that. Give me it. Give me that artifact. Oh, no. Yeah, that's right. I'm attempting a 3rd time. Give me the artifact. I will kill you. No more doggy pillow to protect the artifact. Potadog! No! Huh? Why didn't it do anything? Give me my power back! Give me my power back! What? How is that possible? How did you shut my Give me the artifact! That's it, you're driving me insane! I will kill you! Yes! 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 This is gonna be so epic! This has gone on for way too long. You've literally gone insane! Insane, huh? Insane! Ah! Now you have no super epic 6, no epic something, no stuffed animals, no big bear. Everything is gone, taken away from you. Whoa, why is the screen shaking? Why is the screen shaking? Oh God, no, wait, no, you seen the last of me! Seen the last of me. Not to break your lantern, but can you please shut up? We are all in hell because of this one incident. Okay, great to know. I've been killed by him. Him? You mean Potadog? Yeah, he's so annoying. He literally keeps on killing everybody. Potadog's a nice dude, but I hate him. He literally sucks. I don't get it. How does he have so many powers? It is my duty to kill him. We can split the artifact. Why don't you say? Okay, yeah, but it'll take a while to get back to Earth. I have a plan. Oh, I have a plan.